Hello, it's Nicholas Nance from Affiliate Marketing Info channel. Today I want to review a very amazing product will be launched on 9 September 11 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. It's called as StockRush. What is this amazing product you will have to log in this amazing product? Because when you have a marketer, you will have to use many image, illustration, video, audio, GIF, and other ways for your business. No matter what you want to use it on the website and other website and also the blog. It is also when you use them in some websites such as Pixel. It is also most of us will use it because it is free. You can download their image or audio or something like that. But if you have, sometimes you cannot find a very impressive image or audio. If you want to download video, it is much more expensive. You have to download them at one time. Every time you download the premium products, you will have to make a one-time payment, or you will some of they also provide membership. You will charge you monthly or annually, but you cannot unlimited to download their product. But this is very amazing website. That will definitely to solve your problem, because the StockRush you will tired of spending a small fortune or stock medium or struggling to find quality media using free stock media sites. It is also very awesome. You can see you will get access to millions of stock image, illustration, video, audio, gift, and vectors without any monthly fees. This is also very awesome. You can it is also not 100,000 but billion. Plus you will get utilize the built-in tools to edit your files on the file, remove image background with a click. And also you will get free viral traffic with a few clicks. If you also download some images, you have to pay some other tools to edit all of them. Especially if you want to remove some image background, it is very complicated. It is not easy to do that. If you also to outsource it to Fiverr, you will have to pay extra fee, and also you have to some other additional built-in folders. You have to more and more additional charge for you to pay. But it is also all-in-one tools you will included in this amazing product. You can use it is definitely use. You don't have to pay any monthly fee. It is also have they also you don't have, you just to pay one-time payment. You will all of these tools will be included in this product. It is also built for millions, built for marketer. It is also millions of stock media. Access to image illustration, no monthly fee or annual fee. You will get unlimited download with no fee. Upload your own video, and also inbounders will lead up in a free system for free viral traffic. Is also very awesome. You will also to and build your list. This is the most important for any online business, because this is the most important thing is to build your email list. This is also built-in editors. This is quite easy. Remove the background with Medium with a click of a mouse. Let's take a look what inside in the sales page. You will get unloaded enhanced top quality stock media in this layer. It is also you will get you build on stock photo. You will have to pay different $, but you don't have to pay this because this is a one-time payment. It is also get a free viral traffic. Upload your own stock. Let's take a look what inside in the let's and you can see that some of them you will see that this is all very top quality. This is not very low quality or something like PRL. And you can no monthly membership. You can unlimited media download. Sell your own media for fast and easy profits. The only stock media provided you can get free viral traffic. You can abilities to build a retargeting audience and built-in auditor. But you are not also let's take a look. If you have a background, this is one click and you can remove the background. Remove the background. This is also just one click. You will get access to StockRush platform, step-by-step training, media marketplace, you can sell it for and keep 100% commission, built-in viral traffic system, well-cast support, and all you will see, you can video, image, illustration, audio, gift, and vector. This is also very awesome. You don't have to pay too much money for you to get. It is also suitable for affiliate marketer, no matter product creator, coach, consultant, local marketer, media creator, social media marketer, email marketer, and anything you can do this for yourself. It is also just don't have to pay a monthly fee or anything. You just need to pay one-time payment. It is also very awesome. They also have come 30-day money back. You can try this for yourself. I also have some exclusive bonus for you. Exclusive bonus for one. You can scroll down to see the sales page. They also have I think it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. They also come with 7 exclusive bonus for you to use it. You can scroll down to the sales page and see it for yourself. But I want to help you more to promote success, and also I have some exclusive bonus for you. Let's take a look what is inside in my bonus area. It is also and what is stock total. This is a way you can access to stock media, unlimited download. Quickly search any type of media just for a simple keyword. Built-in editor to customize your audience. It is also a free viral traffic with automated embedded lead optin system. You can upload your stock photo and just it is also to make money online. With your outsources, and also you will inside my bonus pay, you will get access to a demo video of StockRush, how you can get it, how you can get inside and how to operate inside the StockRush website, and you can use it as you can how to use it. And my own bonus, my exclusive bonus number 1, it is a report how to get high-paying clients for your business without having a website or email. Let's just with your Facebook account. As we know, Facebook is the number 1 social media. You will get access to tons of clients. If you know how to do this, you will get to more clients for your to pay for your stock photo, image, video. This is also a huge market for you to use. If you bonus number 2, a free guide how to target and market for a choice client using Facebook. This is a Facebook ad blueprint. If you want to skyrocket and boost your result, you can use the Facebook, and you will this free guide will teach you how to target a marketplace. You will need to do target customer who need your services. Bonus number 3 is a free guide. Discover the best way to market on Instagram that actually works. And Instagram is basically my app is an app, and most of the people will share the image so this is a very awesome background. You can display all your image in this one, and attract people to follow you, and they will the possibility to amazing let's check it out what's inside in the website, and you can sell it for them. This is also very potential customer you can contact. This is bonus number 4. Features how to use Instagram stories to 10x your engagement and sales. If you have an IG account, Instagram you have a story. This is also available for 24 hours. You have to put in all your image, audio and video. This is also the sky is limits. You can show your display all your product. This is also very amazing to best use of Instagram story. Bonus number 5 is a fake goal breakout. This is a full training area, how to use Facebook and Instagram to market to your target audience. It is also very awesome. It is created by John Armstrong. John Armstrong is a very successful marketer. If you search him on Google, you will see he is learning 6 figures per month. So his product is very awesome. You can access it for free. Bonus number 6 is the free course how to generate massive quality traffic consistently through social media. Social media is a very massive traffic you can drive. Other than I also Facebook and Twitter. You will also can something like this. LinkedIn, Pinterest, Twitter. This is also some other social media you can drive traffic. This free course will teach you how to use it. Bonus number 7, you will get a video training how to use solo ads to pull in a laser target audience that will buy whatever you sell. That is also my other paid traffic. Paid traffic solo ad. Solo ad is a traffic method. You don't have to learn so much. Something like also to spend too much money on paid ads such as Google ad, YouTube ad, Facebook ad, Google ad, Facebook ad, Bing ad. You don't have to a very long, tough learning curve. This is also they have email list. You can stand it and how to use it. This is also this guy will tell you how to use it. Bonus number 8 is how to get massive cheap traffic source. Traffic is the number 1 you have to do, and you also get all the exclusive bonus from vendor. Don't forget you could get all the exclusive bonus when you purchase inside the JVZoo. When you press this blue button, you will get all the exclusive bonus. Even though you just purchase my front end product, you just press this blue button, you will get all the exclusive bonus. I will put this to expose what is the upsell and what is the upsell. And the upsell is number 1 StockRush Deluxe is $47. You will 10 million collection stock image. Upsell number 2 StockRush Enterprise is $47. You will $47. Upsell number 2 with the Enterprise, you will allow to create your own stock along with the capability. Option number 3 is a video creator or editor. That is $37. You have line access to their video platform and turn your stock photo into stunning video trailer, video review, something like that. You will upsell number 4 is unlimited white. You will create your own logo and create your account. You will have a downsell with 297 and 197 with 500, 200 and 100. You can do this with a huge discount. You can get it for test type to 97 for 100 white sale. Upsell number 5 is StockRush reseller license. You can come with 197 and 97. You will 197. You will get a stock reseller. You will keep all the 100% commission payout. If you have $97, you will keep 17.5 commission for all the throughout the funnel. You will get this. Don't forget you will get all my exclusive bonus. Before the countdown timer, when you purchase, when you purchase and before the countdown timer, you will get all my exclusive bonus included in the JVZoo. When you click this button, you will get all the exclusive bonus. When you purchase them and you get this press this red button, you will get all my exclusive bonus before the countdown timer inside the JVZoo purchase file. Thanks for taking time to check out my review and bonus. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. You will you will similarly click the link below in the description. You will get a link for my bonus purchase link. Thanks for taking time to check out my review and bonus. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I will have more marketing tips for you and upcoming product review. Thank you.